Alright, today I'm doing a review on Earth's Bounty Superfood Gold 100% pure juice. This really caught my eye, and I went to the local health food store and purchased this, but this really did catch my eye. And why is because it contains so many what we call high-end superfoods in here. So it has acai, it has GAC, it has Goji Noni, Mangosteen, and seabuckthorn. So I can go through a whole bunch of these high antioxidant type of foods, and it'll take me like at least a good 30 minutes to go through them all. But I'll give you a quick rundown. Seabuckthorn is known for their omega-7s, which is actually really good for skin, mucous membranes, things like that. Mangosteen, of course, has carotenoids, has high-end antioxidants. Goji, same thing. So like I said, a lot of these things are really rich in nutrients. Now, let's go through. Now, this is the unique thing that actually caught my eye, was actually this part. The ingredient list. Let's zoom in here and I'll show you. So they want you about 30 mils to 90 mils a day. This is about a 943 milliliter bottle, so it'll last you, roughly about 10-12 days if at the higher dose. Okay. So it's not really, you don't have to do the higher dose, of course, but so this is what it has in here in the ingredient list. So you got the noni, you got the goji, you got the mangosteen, seabuckthorn, and fruit juices, and nothing else. So there's no water, there's no sugar, cane sugar. There is absolutely nothing. That's the thing that actually, when I saw it, and if you look at the bottom here, you can see the basically the pulp that they have. It's actually pretty thick. It's not like too watery at all. It's kind of thick there. Okay. Now let's go into the nutritional facts there. We got 2 grams of sugar per 30 mils. If you were looking at it at a cup, which you wouldn't be drinking a cup anyways, you'd be drinking about 90 mils at most, but a cup would be about 16 grams of sugar. Now, hopefully you can see all that. So it's got some potassium, it's got some sodium, which are normally found in fruits anyways. Okay. Now let's open this up, and I will let you know how it tastes. Okay, so I got the top here off, plastic off. Let's open that up. Pour it in the bowl. Yeah, it's about 30, I guess. Hopefully you can see that. You can really see some of that pulp that's still in there. It's left over, okay. Let's take a spoon, and let's do a taste test. It tastes like a very concentrated juice. It's not your typical unique juice. It tastes a lot more goji. I taste more goji than I do the other fruits, but it tastes like a juice that's kind of hard to explain. It sort of has a slight herbal taste to it. Okay, but it tastes good. It's not too sweet. It's not bland. It's aromatic, but it does have a more of a goji taste to it. Okay, so if you love goji berries, things like that, you'll love this. Definitely check it out if you haven't already. And of course, if you have any questions, comments, post them below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.